Hey everybody, Uncle Coco here. We're gonna open the Charizard EX Premier Collection box. Alright, we do have 6. We're only gonna open 2 today. Maybe 2, maybe just 1. We'll see. We'll see how good the hits are on this one. Alright, now right away the feel of this box is pretty cool. They have like texture on the outside, which gives it like an extra feel to it. It's not just some regular box, even though it is just a regular box. And that is pretty cool. First time I've seen them do that. Alright, we're gonna open this on camera so you can see. It's like, alright. So we do have the 3 promos, the alternate, alright, came out easy. Here is the Charmander. The Charmeleon. And the promo. I actually have not pulled. Here's the code for the box. The Alt art. The white one. I have the gold one. I have the EX. I don't have that one. And this one does come with the custom. Pull these cards out. There we go. Custom stand. Some sleeves. I don't use these sleeves. So I did order a case, but I'm not opening the case. Trying to put it in there with the sleeve on. Good enough. There we go. I'll put that back there. Those 2 back there are not going to be opened. But hey. Alright, the pack selection. We have Obsidian Flame, Paldea Evolve, Scarlet and Violet. 2 of each. So why don't we go ahead and start with, let's go base, and second, and third, right? The way they came out. Alright, code. Excuse me. Wait, what? Electric generator. Judge. Here's the reverse. The other reverse. And it's the regular hollow. Excuse me. If you're playing Pokemon Go, this is the Pokemon that we're catching its first stage. There you go. They were all over the place during Pokemon Go. Alright, Rocky Helmet Reverse. Oh. Alright, I don't think I have these two. For dough. Looks like bread dough. Ban it. We have not opened a ton of Paldea Evolve or Scarlet and Violet. We do have booster boxes. We just haven't opened them yet. I do have a case of each. Eventually we'll break them open. Still opening Shield, Sword and Shield. That's the main issue. Alright, the code. Here we go, Paldea Evolve. Larvitar. Just a reverse. Paldean Taurus. That's pretty cool. Wow, Chen Pao. What? Chen Pao, put it over here, EX. Paldea Evolve is one of those sets that I think is going to be better as time goes by. Obsidian Flame, I think, is the opposite. Even though there's a couple cool artworks that will survive the test of time, the set as a whole, I don't think will be remembered fondly. It's one of those sets where it's a Charizard or bust. Oh, sorry. And that's true. All we're looking for is the other all white pack Charizard. And of course this thing don't want to open. If I open the case, I'm sure I'll get a few of those Charizards, at least 6. They were not very hard to pull. So of course this is why I couldn't pull it. Nothing there. Should I open the other box? The sizer. Alright, so we do have the other one. Should we open it? Why not? We have 4 boxes that we're not opening today. Might as well open this one, right? Might as well. These packs were made to open. I'm gonna leave those in there. Just gonna grab the packs. I'll leave those in here. Ooh. Alright, again, Scarlet and Violet first. these from Battle Styles? Or is it just generic? No, it says Scarlet and Violet there, but that could be printed after. Oh, maybe something. No. Thought I saw something. Apparently I did not. Oh, come on. Oh, now we're striking out everywhere. Struck out in all three that time. All four. Now to Obsidian Flame. There's that German, the reverse. There's that code. Well, this is leaving a bad taste in my mouth, huh? David Rowland. Nothing. Alright, where you can't go out like punks. I'm gonna see if I have some Obsidian Flame packs. Flash. Extra Radiance. Trying to see if I have some Scarlet and Violet packs, like some loose packs I could open. Got a lot of Astral Radiance, some Vivid Voltage, some Brilliant Stars, some Lost Origins, Fusion Strike. Where's all the damn Scarlet and Violet? Silver Tempest. Don't have any loose Scarlet and Violet, so let's open some random Silver Tempest. Here's the code. Trying to end on a hit. That's why I'm opening these. Oh, miss. Let's try another one. Lost Origins. Come on. Trying to end on a good note. Oh, nothing. There's the code. Let's try Brilliant Stars. nothing. White code card. Oh, where's Astro Radiance? Nothing. There's the code card. Crown Zenith, right? Crown Zenith usually has hits. Give us a hit so we can end this video. Oh my God, come on. The code. Alright, Pikachu, come on. Oh, come on. Battle Styles. Let's see if we can find one. Let's do that. Nope. Where is... Excuse me. Fusion Strike. We're like opening one of each. Can't get anything. Well, that's not good. Where's that Rebel Flash? There's some Rebel Flash in here. I don't think I've opened any Rebel Flash. This might be the first one I ever opened. And oh my God. Oh, here's a oh, I found two Scarlet and Violet loose packs. Alright, we got something finally. Full art. Charizard EX. Well, since I brought it out, might as well just open this one too. But the Charizard is officially the last hit. This is a bonus if we do have it. If it even wants to be opened. all these loose packs. If you're wondering why I just have loose packs, we're going to use them in the live stream. But I wasn't able to get that going. Yeah. Some technical issues, then some timing issues. And we got a hit. So I just pushed it back, and now I just have all these packs sitting here. Alright, 2 final hits. Alright. So that was a Charizard box plus some extras. So we went 0 for 6 on that last box. So I didn't want to end on such a bad note. So I went ahead and opened some. If you're wondering how many I have over here. How many loose packs do I have here? I do have quite a few. I will show you. There's these. There's these. This is a Breakpoint. Won't be opening those anytime soon. There's these, and I think this is XY down here. And then these. So we got 3. Wait, what was it? Oh, these are also Breakpoint. Put them right here. So all those packs I need to rip open at some point. But that's enough show and tell. Thank you everybody for watching. If you want, you can subscribe. You do you, booze. I ain't gonna tell you what to do. Have a good one. Happy hunting.